Hey, you're watching Homestead Chronicles. My name's Adrian. I'm going to show you something that if you do it now, it's going to help your blackberry bushes thrive. I wish I had known this when I first started gardening. This is something I thought you had to wait till fall or winter to do, but if you do it now, your plants will just take off and thrive and be the healthiest blackberry bushes you'll ever have. If you got canes, these are called canes, okay? The little branches that come up. If you got canes that have already put all the fruit on, you've already picked the fruit off, they're not putting anything else on them, and they're starting to get like dead leaves like this and drying up, that's a good sign that they're ready to be cut all the way to the ground. So we cut that, pull this whole thing out. All right, this right here is a new cane, okay? This is new growth. This is what's gonna put fruit on it next season. So we don't want to cut those. You see how it looks real fresh? It's got new leaves on it. All right, so this one's dead all the way back to this here. So we're gonna cut it back to there. See, all that has there's no new fruit, no flowers. This one still has fruit on it. So what we do is we just cut back to that little area. So you go all the way back to right here. See the new growth coming up? It has the berries on them. We can cut it to about right there. I do about 1/4 inch or less. Cut that all the way off. That's gonna help that fruit even better. And then this one has a little bit of fruit right here coming off on this part, but this whole top section is not fruiting anymore. We're gonna cut that out. We can go ahead and cut that. So see, we still got these fruiting, we'll leave those alone. We could go ahead and take this whole branch all the way to the ground, but since we've got some fruit, we'll go ahead and enjoy those pieces of fruit there. And then once they're done and we eat the fruit off of there, then we can just take that one all the way back to the ground. So you see already how we freed up all this extra space around here, more airflow, which is what you want. It's also gonna help prevent disease. All right, so we've got this one here that I'm looking at. There's no fruit at all anywhere on this. And you see that the leaves are starting to die back. You look for all these indications. So we're gonna take that all the way down to the ground. What I do when I get to the ground, I'm cutting it at an angle. I don't want that to be flat because water will sit on top of it. I'd rather it be at an angle. Water runs off of that area really easily. So, I mean, look at these. This is a big branch. A really big branch. I mean, think about all the energy that's going into that useless branch. If you take that out, the plant's gonna focus its energy on the new canes coming up. So like, look at this right here. You see this? This is an old cane. There's no more flowers or fruit on it. So we're gonna follow that all the way down. It's a big cane. I'm gonna go all the way down to the ground here. And I'm gonna do another angle cut. I really need my bigger lobbers, but so like that. Let's cut that out now. Watch, you're gonna see how much this is gonna free up this plant. Look at that. I mean, that is a huge cane. All right, here's another one. See, this one's really dried up. There's no fruit on it. I'm gonna go all the way down to the base, cut it right off. We don't want the plant wasting any energy on useless branches like this, okay? We want this plant to put all of its energy into these new canes. Also, if you have wimpy canes like this that are falling over, they're real thin, you can just cut those out and let the plant focus on the really strong looking ones that are thriving, ones that are more thick like this. See how this is really healthy looking? It's okay to just cut those out. All right, so here's another one right here. You see? This is all dead, it's dying back. There's no more fruit on it. It's just taking up space. So we're gonna take these out. It's gonna open up the whole entire plant for give it more airflow and everything. And then we're gonna go ahead and take this one out right here as well. So I'm gonna find that one all the way down. Where's that right here? There we go. All right. Gonna have a lot of extra wood to turn into biochar and put in our burn pit. Look at all these branches coming out that we pulled out of this. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, as always, give it a big thumbs up. And hey, if you have any tips on blackberry bushes and what's worked for you guys, be sure to leave it in the comment section. If you do this, what I just showed you, you're gonna have some of the healthiest blackberry bushes you've ever had, okay? God bless y'all in Jesus' name. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.